Hello! In this video I will show you how to install RAR application on Samsung Galaxy A04e. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in RAR. Now click search and then click install. Now you have to click open and you have to click here to allow this app to manage your files, and then you can go back. Now you can decide if you want to see notifications from this app or not, and then click dismiss. And as you can see, my app is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.